everybody, here is a tour of the Yacht Club standard room. This is a king bedroom, so you'll notice it's a little bit different than the two queens that you can get in a standard view, but I want to walk you through everything you can expect in these rooms. So first you walk in and you have your single Keurig, single cup, coffee cup, and then you also have your beverage cooler below, so lots of room here right by the front door. As you walk a little further in, you've got this really nice spacious closet. There's a lot of room for hangers, shelf spaced above and below, and the same on the other side. You've got your luggage rack, more space below. So tons of places to unpack, honestly. There's way more room than we need for our one night that we're gonna be here. And then next to that, we have an iron. You will not see me using that. We have the iron and the ironing board, your safe, and even more shelving. So you can really move in here for a bit. Now to the right, you're gonna have, hey everybody, you're gonna have double sinks, which is so awesome. We love that the deluxe resorts have these. There's really great lighting. You have a makeup mirror, and below, even more storage, including your hair dryer and all of the usual things you need. You've got a slider door into the bath area. And as you look here, you've got your throne, a nice, beautiful glass shower door. And as you go check this out, you can see, oh my gosh, the jackpot. We have the small single serves of the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. You don't see that much anymore, but a really nice, very large shower. All right, so as you come back out, you can see the main area. We've got our nice display. Lots of room on the sides of this big cabinet. I also want to point out that in the cabinet, you have a ton of outlets. There's double on both sides. So you've got all the things you're gonna need to plug in can all go right on top of this nice marble cabinet, and a lot of storage. Extra pillows, extra blankets below in the middle, and a lot of drawers. You've got 8 drawers on the sides and 1 at the top in this cabinet. So a lot of room. Has a nice desk with a lamp. What I want to show you are the curtains, because they have these beautiful constellation patterns, as it is the Yacht Club. So we have a lot of navigator compass inspired decor. We'll get to the balcony in a minute. And then here we have the king bed. So again, nice spacious room. I'm actually standing all the way my back to the wall, and you can just see how much room it feels like you have in here. So it's definitely a very large standard room. We're also kind of in a corner unit, so this may be a little bit bigger than every room you might find. More chair. Again, nightstands. That nautical theme is present, and there's a nightstand on both sides, so you're going to be able to plug in your devices on both sides of the bed. You also have the lights for reading that we love, that you see in most of our deluxe rooms too. All right, last but not least, I love an outdoor space, and so we have a balcony here. We're on the 3rd floor, and we're kind of tucked in this nook, and what you'll see is that we're in a bit of a nook, but I don't know why I feel like I have to whisper. There's a pool view. This is one of the quiet pools over here, so it's a really quiet space. It's a massive, massive balcony. 2 chairs and a table. There's the entrance into the room, and again, we are in a corner, so there's a little wall here next to us. So I would say this room is going to be awesome. And we're going to go take a walk to Epcot. One of the best things about staying at the Yacht Club is that you can walk right into the back entrance at World Showcase. All right, stay tuned for more later. Bye.